Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to add both photos and videos to your Instagram Reels. So first we're going to start off by clicking on this icon here. Now we're going to select Reel, swipe up. As you can see, we have to choose from photos and videos. So let's say we want the first one to be a photo. So we're going to click on Add. Now we're going to swipe up again. Say we want the second one to be a video, for example, this one. I'm going to click on Add again. And we want to add, for example, another photo. I'm going to click on the photo, again, Add. Lastly, we're going to click on Next. So as you can see, it starts off with the photo. Then it follows up with the video. And then again, we have the photo. So we're going to click on Next and Share. And that's how it's done. Thank you for watching. Bye.